that Rory. Took me out to a party, got me lit up Bacardi. But I know he ain't no good for me.
Hey guys, so we are leaving. Hope that you are enjoying this London vibe that I'm giving y'all. Look at my fit for the day. I wish I could put like the camera something. Let me see. This mesh here. Make my butt look a little bit. Yeah, I like it. So I'm about to take a fire picture in this. So what we're doing is we're gonna be switching outfits. Out here has dope scenes. Like we're going to the museum, the London Eye. We're going to do a whole bunch of stuff, an art gallery. And yeah, let's get this thing going. Hope you guys are enjoying this. It's a lot of work to vlog, but I got y'all. If you're wondering if you should go to London to visit, you should. It's beautiful. The people are beautiful. They're so nice. Hey, I'm about to take some fire pictures with my sister, and yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with us. We're gonna take probably like 1,000 pictures to get that one picture, but it's gonna happen. So go follow me on Instagram and make sure that you like my picture, because I promise you, you will like it. Like you'll like the quote and everything, because on my Instagram I give like dope quotes that you can possibly use and fire pictures. Guys, we are shooting, and look at this cute little area we found. So cute. My sister's changing. Look at the houses. Like, people actually live in these small town houses. I'm sure the inside is very narrow and small because our hotel is like that. They got different colors. It's so cute. You guys, look at this. It's like a hallway. They said like when they're shooting movies in London, they like to go through these hallways. It's very small, like I can literally hide it. But they like to like come through with motorcycles and cars. Like right now they're shooting Fast Furious 9 in London, and we saw Cardi B and everything, like, so that's why she's out here in London right now. The Fast Furious 9 is coming out May 2020 in May, yeah. So look out for that. I wish I was in it, but soon it's in the process. Okay. He saw me. What you mean? Running. He's running in the rain. Trying to stay fit. Yo, people out here really think I'm Stefflon Don. It's funny. Some little boy was like, "Look at that, look." Crazy. People was crazy. I don't know how how people could vlog long because my arm is killing me. So much. Look at this.
So we're heading over to the
We're going there. The tallest building in Europe. Where you're going to. Look at this. Oh my god, I feel like such a tourist. Yo, this is so pretty. Like, I had to catch it, and you guys need to see this view. This is grand.
It's pretty factual to me, and I'm born here. Sound American or Canadian?
Look at this tree.
The shard. It's like basically designed like a shard of glass.
Say that one more time.
Right, it's designed like a shard of glass.
Can I put you in my vlog?
How you doing? I'm a London dude. Nice to meet ya. Welcome to London.
Yes.
Welcome to London. How
Welcome
you
to
doing?
London. We're doing great. Quite great.
Tell us again what you saying.
Sorry, this building here is the shard, and it's like designed like a shard of glass. Like if you break a bit of glass and the shard comes off, they designed it in that aspect. Many buildings in London are designed like the gherkin. You've got a building shaped like the gherkin where the mayor lives, where the mayor's building. So, very much, ladies. Where is this getting transported to? Straight to the States?
Huh?
Is that on Instagram?
YouTube.
Alright. Yes. What names are going to be on there? What are you going to put it under?
They just look up Ferrari sisters.
Ferrari sisters.
Yes.
You
Just like
real
the car.
sisters?
Yes.
She's the older one.
No, I am the older one.
Right, anyway.
Get that a lot.
the tallest building.
You know what?
Do you know what?
It might be the tallest building in England. I don't know about you. It might be. That's a good question. You know what? I need to Google it. Right, I've got to go, ladies. Enjoy London,
Thank
yeah?
you,
So,
thank
where
you.
are you from?
New York City.
When I lived in America, I'm 45. I lived in America 1992 to 96. I got LA from the year. I had a contract with A&M Records. From there, I went to Jacksonville, Florida, where my uncle's in the Navy at Naval. Went to Tallahassee, where my cousin played basketball at Florida State. From there, I went to Washington, D.C. and spent 8 months. Then I've done 9 months in Ann Arbor, Michigan. And then flew home from Newark International. Right,
Nice.
this is the London blog. Peace, we out.
We
See you
out.
later. America, peace and love. See you later.
See ya. People out here are so friendly. So crazy. Like, it's so awesome. Make me want to live here. Like, it's so nice. Everyone wants to help you, have conversation. Why not, right? Unlike New York City, where everybody's all stuck on me look. They just be like, why are you talking to me?
Get out the way.
Get out my way, move. That's it. They probably looking at us like we some mean girls because we're from New York City. We made it though.